Hi, friends, welcome to my channel Easy Study Academy 5555. How are you all? I hope you all are well. In today's video, we will learn to speak small sentences that we use in daily life and which we often forget to speak.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend is Rachel.
Do you have a best friend?
No, I have many friends.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing a little.
Can you sing?
No, I can't sing well.
Do you like to paint?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
Do you like to paint?
No, I don't like painting.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like classical music.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Taylor Swift.
Who is your favorite singer?
I like Ed Sheeran.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I work online.
Do you work from home?
No, I go to the offline.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I love my school.
Do you like your school?
No, I don't like school.
What do you like to be in future?
I want to be a teacher.
What do you like to be in future?
I want to be a famous artist.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, my favorite teacher is Mrs. Sharma.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
No, I like all my teachers.
Is learning English difficult?
Yes, it is hard sometimes.
Is learning English difficult?
No, I think it is a fun.
Do you like using the internet?
Yes, I use it every day.
Do you like using the internet?
No, I don't use it much.
Do you have an email?
Yes, I use email for work.
Do you have an email?
No, I don't use email.
How do you talk to your friends?
I call them on the phone.
How do you talk to your friends?
I send them messages.
Do you like texting or calling?
I like texting.
Do you like texting or calling?
I prefer calling.
Do you have a tablet?
Yes, I have an iPad.
Do you have a tablet?
No, I don't have a tablet.
Do you like online shopping?
Yes, it is easy.
Do you like online shopping?
No, I like shopping in stores.
What is your favorite store?
My favorite store is Ajit's store.
What is your favorite store?
I like shopping in Walmart.
Do you prefer expensive or cheap things?
I like cheap things.
Do you prefer expensive or cheap things?
I prefer expensive things.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week.
How often do you go shopping?
I shop twice a month.
Do you use a credit card?
Yes, I use it for shopping.
Do you use a credit card?
No, I use cash.
How do you go to school?
I walk to school.
How do you go to school?
I take the bus.
Do you like flying in airplanes?
Yes, I love flying.
Do you like flying in airplanes?
No, I am afraid of planes.
Have you ever taken a train?
Yes, I have taken a train many times.
Have you ever taken a train?
No, I have never taken a train.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I ride my bicycle every day.
Do you have a bicycle?
No, I don't have a bicycle.
What is the fastest way to travel?
By airplane.
What is the fastest way to travel?
By car.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
Do you like animals?
No, I don't like animals.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
Do you like going to the zoo?
Yes, I love zoo.
Do you like going to the zoo?
No, I don't like zoo.
Have you ever seen a wild animal?
Yes, I saw an elephant.
Have you ever seen a wild animal?
No, only in pictures.
Do you like the ocean?
Yes, I love swimming in the ocean.
Do you like the ocean?
No, I prefer lakes.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I go to the gym.
Do you exercise?
No, I don't like exercise.
What do you do to stay healthy?
I eat fruits and vegetables.
What do you do to stay healthy?
I drink a lot of water.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
Do you like vegetables?
No, I don't like them.
Do you drink a lot of water?
Yes, I drink 2 liters a day.
Do you drink a lot of water?
No, I drink only a liter.
Do you like going to the doctor?
No, I don't like going to the doctor.
Do you like going to the doctor?
Yes, I go for regular checkups.
What is your favorite holiday?
I love Diwali holiday.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is New Year.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I have a party.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
No, I don't celebrate much.
Do you like a fireworks?
Yes, they are beautiful.
Do you like a fireworks?
No, they are too loud.
Do you give gifts on holidays?
Yes, I love giving gifts.
Do you give gifts on holidays?
I don't buy gifts.
Do you like Halloween?
Yes, I love costumes.
Do you like Halloween?
No, I don't like scary things.
Where are you from?
I am from Japan.
Where are you from?
I come from Colombia.
Hi, friends, welcome to my channel Easy Study Academy 5555. How are you all? I hope you all are well. In today's video, we will learn to speak small sentences that we use in daily life and which we often forget to speak.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza.
Do you like pizza?
No, I don't like.
Did she call you?
Yes, she called me.
Did she call you?
No, she didn't call.
Is he at school?
Yes, he is there.
Is he at school?
No, he isn't there.
Did they win yesterday?
Yes, they won yesterday.
Did they win yesterday?
No, they didn't win.
Does he drive daily?
Yes, he drives daily.
Does he drive daily?
No, he doesn't drive.
Do you play football?
Yes, I play football.
Do you play football?
No, I don't play.
Did she make tea?
Yes, she made tea.
Did she make tea?
No, she didn't make.
Does he eat meat?
Yes, he eats meat.
Does he eat meat?
No, he doesn't eat.
Did they go yesterday?
Yes, they went yesterday.
Did they go yesterday?
No, they didn't go.
Do we need help?
Yes, we need help.
Do we need help?
No, we don't need.
Did you see her?
Yes, I saw her.
Did you see her?
No, I didn't see.
Does she cook well?
Yes, she cooks well.
Does she cook well?
No, she doesn't cook.
Did he buy bread?
Yes, he bought bread.
Did he buy bread?
No, he didn't buy.
Do cats like fish?
Yes, cats like fish.
Do cats like fish?
No, cats don't like.
Did it rain today?
Yes, it rained today.
Did it rain today?
No, it didn't rain.
Do they play chess?
Yes, they play chess.
Do they play chess?
No, they don't play.
Did we miss school?
Yes, we missed school.
Did we miss school?
No, we didn't miss.
Does John work hard?
Yes, John works hard.
Does John work hard?
No, John doesn't work.
Did she write that?
Yes, she wrote that.
Did she write that?
Yes, she wrote that.
Do I look fine?
Yes, you look fine.
Do I look fine?
No, you don't look.
Did he find it?
Yes, he found it.
Did he find it?
No, he didn't find.
Does it feel cold?
Yes, it feels cold.
Does it feel cold?
No, it doesn't feel.
Did they lose again?
Yes, they lost again.
Did they lose again?
Yes, they lost again.
Do we live here?
Yes, we live here.
Do we live here?
No, we don't live.
Did she sing well?
Yes, she sang well.
Did she sing well?
No, she didn't sing.
Does he call you?
Yes, he calls me.
Does he call you?
No, he doesn't call.
Did I hurt you?
Yes, you hurt me.
Did I hurt you?
No, you didn't hurt.
Do birds fly fast?
Yes, birds fly fast.
Do birds fly fast?
No, birds don't fly.
Did he bring gifts?
Yes, he brought gifts.
Did he bring gifts?
No, he didn't bring.
Do you like books?
Yes, I like books.
Do you like books?
No, I don't like.
Did she take notes?
Yes, she took notes.
Did she take notes?
No, she didn't take.
Does he read much?
Yes, he reads much.
Does he read much?
No, he doesn't read.
Did it break down?
Yes, it broke down.
Did it break down?
No, it didn't break.
Do they visit us?
Yes, they visit us.
Do they visit us?
No, they don't visit.
Did she draw this?
Yes, she drew this.
Did she draw this?
No, she didn't draw.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend is Rachel.
Do you have a friend?
No, I have many friends.
What do you like to do with your friends?
We go to the movies.
What do you like to do with your friends?
We play games together.
Do you visit your family often?
Yes, I visit them every weekend.
Do you visit your family often?
No, they live far away.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
How many people are in your family?
I have a big family.
Who is the oldest in your family?
My grandfather is the oldest in my family.
Who is the oldest in your family?
My father is the oldest in my family.
How are you feeling today?
I am happy.
How are you feeling today?
I feel tired.
What makes you happy?
Listening to music makes me happy.
What makes you happy?
Being with my friends makes me happy.
What do you do when you are sad?
I listen to music.
What do you do when you are sad?
I talk with my best friend.
Are you afraid of anything?
Yes, I am afraid of lizards.
Are you afraid of anything?
No, I am not afraid of anything.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I love surprises.
Do you like surprises?
No, I don't like surprises.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I love dancing.
Do you like dancing?
No, I don't like dance.
Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy learning!